To show you 2016 Sierra 2500 HD. The GMC Sierra 2500 HD has all your workhorse basics covered. No worries here, and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, navigation system, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, one owner. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.